Hello everyone, welcome to Color Our World with Art! Get into spring of a bunny box. Get the materials in the description. First, fold a square paper diagonally in half. And do the same the other way. Flip it over and fold the paper in another half. Repeat on the other side. Follow the creases to fold the square into a square base. Next, fold up one flap in half. Then unfold and fold the folded section into half again. Then flip it over. Repeat on the other side. Fold over to the unfolded square flaps. Fold the corner below to the square's midpoint. Then join the corner of the triangle and the tip of the square in a fold. Repeat on the other side. Flip the model over and repeat. Then fold down the flap on both sides. And open the pocket to make a box. That's turning out real square. And then glue the base of the box flaps shut. Make sure that the box flaps are facing the same way when you open them to form two ears. Then fold a small pink paper into two parts, each folded in half, and cut a leaf shape out of them to make two leaves, which are actually the insides of the bunny ears. Then stick these two pieces into the insides of the ear flaps. Lastly, stick on two eyes. Draw on a nose and mouth with a black marker. And using a punch out two circles in pink paper to stick onto the bunny as blush. Spring into spring of your bunny! Thank you for watching Color Our World with Art. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.